Hey, what's going on, everybody? I know who it is. It's JJ. You know we back at it like an addict, no rehab. Because you know I'm addicted to giving you guys advice. So this is a video, just a quick video, just because I want to keep staying consistent. And I sent some videos to my editor, and he's editing them up. I got them to him kind of late, so it's probably he's probably not gonna be done with them today. So I just told him just get them all done and just get them back to me tomorrow. So this is just a quick video, just letting y'all know that the Discord is live. So the Discord is live, and also if y'all can do me a big favor, I have memberships available on the channel. You know, I think they're start as low as 99 cents. It's just supporting the dream. You know, if y'all can go about it, just get a membership. It doesn't have to be the $2.99, $5.99, because I was doing like the $5.99. I mean, $4.99 was going to be like for like one-on-ones and stuff like that. But now, if y'all can, you know, just grab a membership, and also the membership would be the first thing pinned, and then the link for the Discord. It is going to be in the description. So I'm gonna have a description of a lot of stuff probably underneath it, but the first link under the thing is gonna be a link for the Discord. So if you're interested in joining the Discord, just click the link and it should allow you to join. It's a Discord server. Like I said, we're gonna just be in there communicating about car buying advice, car selling advice, car posting advice, and et cetera, et cetera. You know, it's just basically more access to me. Basically, it's like a way that you guys have my number, but y'all don't really have, like, it's not, but more, it's just another form of a group chat. So it's gonna be a group. So it's live now. I haven't done it much to it. I just started it, but the link will be in the description. So if y'all can do that, and also if y'all can just click the link that's going to be pinned and just grab y'all 99 cent membership, I would really appreciate it. You know, because I'm working hard getting this content out for you guys, and also just got a lot of stuff more coming for you. So if y'all can just help out, the channel is growing, and we're on our way to 5,000 subscribers. I appreciate everybody. I'm out. Peace.